How to create affiliate link on Impact. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an affiliate link on your Impact. So first of all, just open Impact and after that, in order to create a affiliate link, you have to follow few steps. So first of all, just select your program or network. Whatever route you choose, just find the right brand with products relevant to the content you want to create. And once you select the program of your choice, and after that, just determine the destination URL. Just choose the destination URL on landing page. The destination should be relevant within the context of your content. And once you choose the page you want to point out, it's time to add the affiliate tracking information. The brand, affiliate network, or software automatically appended these parameters to the main URL. Once you determine the destination of your URL, you just have to design your link. You can also customize the link to your brand, make the link appear more trustworthy. So this is how you will be able to create affiliate link on Impact. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.